After VK Sashikala paid a fine of 10 crore rupees, sources reveal that she will not be released earlier than what the court order had stipulated her release as. That was the end of January 2021. This development comes after Sashikala's lawyers spoke to prison officials and checked with regards to the remission of conviction days. She's been convicted, remember, in the disproportionate assets case. Her term ends in January 2021. Her legal team was hoping that she'd secure an early release by using her remission. Sources telling us that that is unlikely and that she will be released only in January. Nagarjun Dwarkanath is joining us live with more details on this. So Nagarjun, what we're hearing right now, sources telling us that there's no chance of Sashikala actually coming out this month or next month. It's only going to be in January.
Well, that is true. In fact, after the 10 crore fine was paid to the prison department or the court, through the court, the officials or the lawyers of Sashikala team did approach the prison department and consulted that is there any remission that Sashikala can afford or can take up, because they are looking at an early release. They were hoping sometime in September she would be released because of her good behavior and everything that they have calculated. But unfortunately, sources have confirmed that, unfortunately for Sashikala, that there is no remission is what we are told from the sources, that it is likely that she will come back out of the prison only in January end 2021. So before that, it is unlikely that there will be any remission, even for a week or 10 days that they are looking at Team Sashikala. But it's unlikely that the prison department is looking at any remission. But she will come back to Chennai out of prison in Bengaluru in January 2021 as per the court order.
And that is still before the Tamil Nadu elections. So with regards to political repercussions and the likes, that still holds. Nagarjun, thank you for those details.